are welcome on today. Thanks for joining Katrena's Priceless Home Life and More, where I share home decor, tablescapes, cooking in my priceless kitchen, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and so much more. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Well, I'm back in my priceless kitchen on today. And someone gave me a Publix kit. You know, those pre-packaged, pre-measured food kits for me to try. And it's the Parmesan bow tie chicken pasta. So it has all of the ingredients. It tells you what kitchen tools you need, what pantry items you need, and of course, all of the cooking instructions. So, spoiler alert, I didn't follow the directions. What happened was I was supposed to cook this like a day ago. And it was supposed to be kept frozen until time to cook. But because I took it out, my spinach, well, it wasn't what it needed to be. So I left it out. Anyway, let's enjoy the rest of the video. I prefer using my cast iron pan whenever I'm searing meat. So that's what I did for the chicken. And I was supposed to switch to a non-stick pan for the remainder of the recipe. So that's what I did right now. I switched my pans. Okay, so I didn't just switch my pans. I switched up this recipe just a little bit because, it's Katrena's Priceless Home, Life, and More. And this is my priceless kitchen. And I had a flashback of, Hamburger Helper. So I mixed it up, put a spin on it. But the flavor, the flavor is truly, truly there. Like on the packaging, it only takes about 15 minutes to prepare this meal. It serves about 2 people easily. And since I was missing the spinach, I just put a little fresh parsley on top. Thank you so much for stopping by the Priceless Kitchen one more time. Now, if you're looking for home kitchen essentials, fashion, and more, check out my Amazon storefront linked in the bio. and link in the description box below. Now on your way out, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. And if you subscribe, well, you'll never miss a future upload. Until next time, you know what I say. Stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. Now let's go to the next video.